You will now have 2 minutes to take out the supplies you need for the permanent waving service section of the examination. Please place your ziploc bag on top of your workstation to be evaluated by your rater. You may begin. Candidates, please stop working. All section has been completed for this section. The next section is permanent waving service on a mannequin. You will have 20 minutes to complete this section. Once you have wrapped the permanent rods, please step back and raise your hand. You will be asked to apply the permanent waving solution by your rater. You will also be asked to demonstrate a test curl. Once the rater has checked the rods, please remove the rods and comb the hair straight back. You will be informed when you have 10 minutes remaining. Permanent waving service on the mannequin, they give you 20 minutes. You will wrap 6 perm rods minimum in the center back of the head from the crown to nape area and apply mock chemical waving solution, water. For the purpose of the video, I will be reading the steps, but remember that during your State Board practical exam, they will not read you the steps, so it is important that you have these memorized. Permanent waving service on the mannequin, 20 minutes, you may begin. Sanitize his own hands using hand sanitizer. Once they say you may begin, you go ahead and open your bag and lay everything in front of you so that you can see it clearly. Remember that everything inside your bag you will use, so just get it out and lay it in front so that it's easy for you to remember the steps. Once you are done with the bag, just throw it in your trash bag. You're going to sanitize your hands. Second step will be to apply the chemical draping using towel, cape, towel. Remember, they give you 20 minutes, so take your time. After you have done your chemical draping, towel, cape, towel, you will then section hair equal to length of rods. Remember that the perm rods go on the crown to nape area. Take your time. Once you have your sectioning, everything will go a lot faster. They want to make sure that you're subsectioning the hair in sections equal to the diameter of the rod, that you're spreading the hair evenly across end papers for all 6 rods. Remember, they will be checking to make sure that you are extending the end papers beyond hair ends. They want to make sure that you are maintaining a consistent rod-base relationship, that they're all on or half off base on all rods. So make sure that they are all the same. They will also be checking wrap rods for proper tension, ensuring correct band placement on all 6 rods. Make sure you keep your eye on your own station. They do consider it cheating if you are looking around. So just take your time. They give you 20 minutes. Once you are done wrapping the 6 rods, you will then grab your cotton and wrap it around the section. You will then put your gloves on, and then you will raise your hand to demonstrate the saturation of the waving lotion. So that the rater can see it. You want to make sure that you go through each individual rod, making sure that it's well saturated. The rater will then ask for you to demonstrate a test curl to confirm curl development. You will unwrap and slowly push up and wrap it back. Once the rater has confirmed the test curl development, it is okay for you to undo all 6 perm rods and comb the hair straight back. What they want to see during the 20 minutes of the permanent waving service is the following. I'm going to be repeating the steps for the purpose of the video. Step number 1 was sanitizes hands with hand sanitizer. Applies chemical draping, towel cape towel. Sections hair equal to the length of the rods. Subsections hair into section equal to the diameter of the rod. Spreads the hair evenly across the end paper for all 6 rods. Spreads hair evenly around all 6 rods. Extends end paper beyond hair ends. Maintains consistent rod-base relationship. Wraps rods for proper tension, ensuring correct band placement on all 6 rods. Applies protective cotton around wrap section. Demonstrates saturation with waving lotion. And then lastly, demonstrates a test curl to confirm curl development. Throughout the procedure, they want to make sure that you are disposing of waste material using trash bag. So once you are done with something, it is important that you are disposing of it in the trash bag. Once you are done, clean your station with EPA. Throw all items in the trash bag, step back and raise your hand to confirm that you are done. Candidates, please stop working. All scoring has been completed for this section. We will now proceed to the next section of the examination.